we're heading on an adventure out to sea. If you don't know who's an adventurer, look just on your video.com YouTube.
Okay, so we're just heading off for our morning sailing, bit of practice to get out on the water and enjoy the nice day. Stace is doing the honours today and taking us out.
Very slowly.
Slow is good. I read somewhere don't go any faster in a marina than you want to hit something. I thought that's pretty good advice.
Yeah.
I'd rather not hit anything. There's Ashy's boat. Off to his birthday tonight. You can see up there, I think that one is called the Emerald Princess on the far side of that blue one. Very, very nice, and you can hire it out anytime you like for I think something like 30,000 US a day or something ridiculous.
Holy moly,
yeah.
you're kidding me.
No. If you can't afford it, you shouldn't be here. Ooh, I haven't seen that one before. That's really nice too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Alright, so there's a little bit of wind out there too today, so it should be some fun sailing. Not sure Stacey agrees with me sometimes, but once she gets into it, she's fine.
Yeah, it's healing I don't really love.
Yeah. Charlotte is Wave Charlotte plugged into her iPad. That's kind of her go-to when we go sailing, and to be fair, she handles it pretty well. Just hangs out there. Okay, we're out and the engine is off, and the
I move so quickly. It's not
I know.
making people feel sick.
And the sails are up. Let's go for a walk around, and we're just sort of cruising to the northern point of Koh Yao Yai at this stage. But it's another beautiful, beautiful day.
5 knots.
Oh, we're doing 5 knots, and life is pretty good. It's been a rough week, more so for Stacey than me. But it's not a little bad playground. I mean, by the time you leave the marina, well, it's been what, 5-10 minutes?
Sorry, what?
It's been what, 5 or 10 minutes since we left the marina, and that's why we like this marina. There's no channels or anything to navigate. There's like, once you're out, you're out. And who's down there? It's Charlotte. Okay. Like I said, she travels so well. It's really, really good. And yeah, you've got to have a bimini, which is a sunshade thing. On boats around here, without one, you just roast. And it is no fun whatsoever. But yeah, pretty happy to be out. You, Stace?
Yeah, this is my comfort zone. It's the right amount of wind for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a bit of a heel on, nothing too severe.
Nice.
And doing 5 knots, so.
Excellent. Okay, so second mate Charlotte is on the helm. Stand up, Charlotte. Okay. And what are you trying to miss here?
The flag.
Yeah, what side of the boat is that on?
Port.
Good girl. Right, so steer to starboard a little bit, Charlotte. Yep, that's good.
Now, let me look on the compass.
Yeah. Right, and what does the compass say? Right, straighten up. Straighten up, other way. Right, good.
We're heading straight back.
Yeah.
This is my first time driving a boat.
Yeah, you're doing really good. Stasis is chilling. Yep, the wind's died right down, so this is a good chance just to actually relax, which is quite nice for a change. Okay, you see that long tail out there, Charlotte? Yep, so when you're on the wheel, you're always looking around. You're in charge of the boat at the moment, so you've got to keep a super duper good lookout. You got it?
Dad, do you think we're going to get caught in the net? The net goes straight down.
Well, steer away from it. That's good. That's enough. Okay, straighten up again. Back to the top. Good.
Dad, do you think we're going to head straight into that one?
That long tail.
That.
That was really good. So now you look far away in the distance and you spot something on the island, find a nice hill or something like that, and you aim for that. You got it? You got a spot?
Do you think we're just... Oh no, we're heading past it. That's good.
Yeah.
I'm just going to leave the wheel. Did you know the boat's actually going to drive?
Mm-hmm.
It's Charlotte Hildreth. If you want to upload my videos, just press charlotte.com. Find the word charlotte.com and then you'll be at my video. Don't forget